Hello friends, let's solve this question. In this question, we have to find the value of current I. Okay, the current which is flowing through the second circuit. Okay, so here we don't know the VAB. Okay, so VA is this and VB is this. The potential difference between A and B become VAB. Okay, so it is dependent voltage source. Okay, and here 5 volt is independent. So first let write one by one equation for each variable. Okay, first we will find VA, then we will find VB, and then we will find relation between VAB and I. Okay, so first let's apply voltage division to get VA. Okay, so VA equals to voltage across 1 ohm. Okay, so let's write 1 upon total resistance, that is 1 plus 1 into source which is 5. Okay, equals to 5 upon 2 equals to 2.5, that is equation 1. Okay, so we get VA equals to VA equals to 2.5 volt. Okay, this is equation, this is 1. Okay, now we will find VB. Okay, so this is our voltage source. So let write voltage division for VB. So it's voltage across 1 ohm. Okay, so VB equals to 1 upon total resistance, that is 1 plus 3 into source voltage, that is 4 VAB. Okay, equals to 4 VAB upon 4. Okay, so 4 and 4 will get cancelled and we will get AB. Okay, so VB equals to VAB. Okay, now VB equals to VAB. Okay, this is equation 2. Alright, now we will write KVL for this loop. Alright, so KVL minus 4 VAB, this is 4 VAB plus 3I plus I equals to 0. Further simplification, minus 4 VAB plus 4 VI equals to 0, and by further simplification we get VA equals to Okay, VAB equals to VI, that is equation 3. Okay, now we know that VAB equals to VA minus VB. Alright, so VAB equals to I, as here we proved. So VAB equals to I equals to VA value is 2.5, that is VA is 2.5 minus VAB. Okay, so VB equals to VAB. Okay, VAB, let's further write it 2.5 minus, and VAB equals to I. Okay, from equation 3. So I, and further if we move minus VI to the left side, so it will get added. Okay, plus I equals to 2.5, and it will become 2I equals to 2.5. Okay, so if we divide by 2 from both sides, so it will get 2.5 divided by 2 equals to 1.25. So current I equals to 1.25 is the correct answer, which is in ampere. So the correct answer is B. Alright, thank you.